Hi, this is Stephen Sindoni, July 5th, 2019, target of ongoing surveillance. Right now, today, I'm going to talk about a public service questionnaire that I carry in my pocket. It's in this envelope, and I'm just going to read it off. This questionnaire may be filled out by any public servant before he can ask me any questions. Federal law, including the Privacy Act, 5 USC 552A, 88 Stat 896 et Esquire 1974 authorizes that the public servant must fill out this form and provide his full legal name, number one. Number two, the public servant must provide his residence. Number three, what agency that he's coming from. Number four, he has to give me his full legal name or supervisor and office address. Will the public servant uphold the Constitution of the United States? Yes or no? On the form, it also says number 6, did the public servant provide proof of identity? Yes or no? His ID number, number 7, his badge number, bonding agency and number. Number 8, will the public servant furnish a copy of the law or regulations that authorizes the actions being taken or information requested in this case? Yes or no? Will the authorized representative, the public servant, provide in writing that portion of the law that's authorizing him to ask the questions? Yes or no? And number 9. Number 10, are answers voluntary or mandatory? Number 11, are the questions being asked based upon a specific law or regulation, or are they a discovery process? What other agencies may have access to this information? Number 14, what will be the effect upon me if I should not choose to answer any or all of these questions? Number 15, name of persons in government requesting this information. Is the information general or special? Note, by general, it means any kind of blanket investigation in which a number of persons are involved because of geography, type of business, income, etc. By special, it means any investigation of an individual's nature in which others are not involved. Number 17, has the law enforcement officer consulted, questioned, interviewed, or received information from any third party relating to this matter? If yes, let me know. No. If yes, give identity of all third parties and use the back of this sheet if more information is needed. Number 18, did the officer reasonably anticipate either a civil or criminal action to be initiated or pursued based on any of the information which you seek? Yes or no? Number 19, is there a file or records of information or correspondence relating to me being maintained by this agency? Yes or no? Number 20, is this agency using any information on me which is supplied by any other agency or government source? Yes or no? Number 21, will the public servant guarantee that any other department other than the one by which he is employed will not use this information in these files? Yes or no? On the bottom of this, the officer has to sign. I hereby sign and affirm under the penalty of perjury that the answers are true and correct in every particular, and this public servant must sign this form. Notice, if any person or agencies receive any requests or information relating to me, you must advise me in writing before releasing such information. Failure to do so may subject you, the officer, to possible civil or criminal actions as provided by this act or other law. Right now, I carry this information in my backpack. I carry my camera. For those of you listening and watching, know your rights. This will protect you. I'll show you the form real quick. Here's the form on the second page. The officer has to sign. He has to sign these papers. And number 3, I believe it's here. He signed. So these papers do exist. I have them.
Number 1.
And there's 3 pages information. I carry them in my backpack, which I just showed you. And I'm showing you that I am a free sovereign being. My name is Stephen Abraham Sindoni. I am a free sovereign being, and my rights have been violated by the Israeli Mossad, by the FBI, CIA, and all these other covert groups who think that they're going to stop me from having my freedom of speech. Those of you who just watched this, be forewarned. If it can happen to me, it could happen to anyone and could happen to you. I'm signing off. This is Stephen Sindoni signing off. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And go to the real StephenSindoni.com and find out what happens when someone doesn't drink the Kool-Aid.